Hi, I'm Mark, and thanks for taking a look at our website. I'm here at a house on Main Street in Independence, and the seller had lived here for quite a while and then had to move out of state to be near family, but she was needing to get the property sold. She tried listing it with a real estate agent and was not able to get it sold. And so she turned to us, and we were able to structure a transaction that worked very well in her situation, got her out from underneath a problem property. And that's one of the things we pride ourselves on here at Prime Property Options is structuring transactions that work well for you as a seller and not just for us as a buyer. It needs to be a win-win for everybody. And whether that's a fast sell, an as-is sell with no repairs, no clean out, no maintenance, just whatever works for your particular situation. And if you'd like to hear exactly what it was like for Miss Eden working with us on this particular property, go to our reviews page and you can listen to her explain what it was like working with us. And also go to our How It Works page and you can learn how we actually calculate the offer that we make on your property. And if that all looks good, then go to one of the forms on our throughout our website, fill one of those out, and I will look forward to speaking with you then. Thanks.